y'all, I'm Amanda from Mindy's Boutique, and I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow with the Tiger's Eye palette from Rebel Raven. Let's get started. I'm going to take my brush and dip into the Boss color here, fully coating my brush and then tapping off all the excess and applying this all over my lid. I will then take that same brush and dip into the extra, fully coating my brush, tapping off any excess, and then I will go in and I will place this on the outer corner in a small little circles. I will blend this into the crease and go slowly towards the inner corner of my eye. After that, I'm still going to take the same brush and I'm going to go down and I'm going to use the Best Friend and I'm going to coat my brush, tap off any excess, and on this one, I'm going to lightly tap it right on that outer corner on the line that I'm wanting to go for, and just bringing that up, and then I will use little pulling motions towards the inner corner of my eye and keep pulling it till it blends out very nicely. From here, you can either just put on your glitters, shimmers, mattes, whatever you want, and call it good. But I'm going to go further and add some black. So I'm going in with a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm going to dip into the Papa color here. And I'm just going to coat my brush, tap off the excess, and go right on that outer corner. And when I start working with black, I like to go with really, really light hands and placing it super softly. And I'm going to place this on that outer corner and lightly start my little circular motions. And I'm slowly going to blend this out and creating lots of depth in this eye look. And just tapping to make sure it's fully even and coated all the way through. This would be the time I would add my fairy tale chromes, my glitters, my shimmers, all of that, but I think I'm going to actually go for a matte look today, but this is the point in my eye look where I would add this. I'm going to take a small brush and dip into this top color right here and fully coat it, tap off any excess, and start on my inner corner and just really place this color here. Brightening my eye. I will dip back into that color and slowly bring it towards my lid. Just really brightening this eye, and I'm just going to tap it with my finger to blend out any harsh edges. Dipping back in, tapping off the excess, and just continuing to bring that matte up. And I would then take back that fluffy brush and just lightly make sure it's all blended. And I'm going to do the same on the other eye. I'm now going to do my Flawless eyeliner. So I'm just going to open it up and I'm going to start on this outer corner and draw my first line. And then I'm just going to connect this to my, like the middle of my eyelid. There we go. And then I'm going to start by going on the lid, the line of my eyelashes, and just connecting all of this. Then I'm going to make sure that this is a seamless line. All right, and then I'm going to do my inner corner. So I'm going to start by going and drawing a line, going directly from the eyeliner line I've already made. so it fully connects there. And then I'm just gonna connect this to the bottom waterline of my eye. There we go. And that is how I create my inner corners. I put my lashes and mascara on, but got a little bit of black underneath my eye. So I'm going to use one of the Rebel Raven QTs. You just rip it and you can pull it off. And here we go. And then you just snap this pink end. And y'all, it is so cool. And y'all can see how all of that liquid just went to the bottom. And now you have makeup remover in this white part. And I'm just going to lightly go over where I got the black, and it's such a easy cleanup, y'all. So good. And you can see it got off all the little black parts. I love it. But this is my makeup look for today. Thank y'all for watching.